Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to edit an Overleaf resume template. Now all you need to do is, of course, come here to templates, okay, search up resume and click on any of these templates. Just make sure you're actually logged into your account because that's the only way you can go ahead and edit. So click here on open as template, okay, and then just give it a few seconds for this to load up and I'll show you how we can edit this. Now here I have the code editor and here we have the visual editor as well. So you can change this and, change anything here. Okay. Just, scroll down until you reach this part. So the first part was mostly, the code, and here we get the actual information we can go ahead and edit. Okay. So let's do years of experience. Okay, I can easily change that. As you can see, we have changed that from experience to years of experience. And then just click on recompile and you would see it would be changed. Okay, so experience changed into years of experience. And you just repeat the same process with the other stuff. And then you just come here and click on a download PDF. And once it's downloaded, you can go ahead and send it to people. So as you can see right here, we would have it as years of experience. And it's really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix